Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend D-Man in Florida on his Cobra 29 LTD Classic Cancer Awareness Pink Edition. D-Man, I got ready to go for you. You wanted this to have a sleeper look, and we did just that. We did, however, add your ultra bright LED. Your dial of wattage right here on the SWR cowl. Right here in the position of the Delta tune is where your dual control is for your digital echo. And your variable talkback is right here on the RF gain potentiometer. And we also went in and wide banded the receive, and we widened up the transmitter some for you. Upgraded the buffer caps and the filter caps. Also did the VFO wind up for you. And she's ready to talk, man. We didn't do a full out comp tune on this, but the middle of the road would be great for everyday talking. So let me show you what we got. 5-watt slug, about a 1/4 watt there, and it'll roll up to about 4.5. Roll it back to about 2 watts. 50-watt slug, I'll show you average power. About 10.5 bird average. Peak power. About 43 peak. Alright, D-Man is ready to come to you. I really like these radios. I'm down to one, and just won't be able to get any more, I don't believe. So if this is something you're looking for, or anything in particular at all, check us out on the web at www.truckscbsales.com, or shoot us an email at truckscbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.